So this video is going to be a very short one. I think this is the third video I'm uploading about this platform. The first video I talked about how to register, play games, earn and withdraw. In the second video I talked about how to earn more on this platform by getting commissions from your downlines. And in this video I'm going to talk about how to earn more rewards on this platform. So I want you to pay full attention to everything I say. And now, if you log into your account, if you have an account before, you log into your account. If you do not have an account, there's a link in the description below to register an account. So once you log into your account, if you've been using this app before, you should notice a change. So now it is written here free coins. So now if you tap on free coins, I'm going to explain what it means to you and how to actually earn more by getting those free coins. So now tap on free coins and you are going to see this page where it is written every new player you will get 100 coins, which is equivalent to 100 naira as well. So now for every single person you refer to register using your link, you're going to get 100 coins, which is going to be credited to your account. I think this is very, very, very good. Aside getting commission, referring your friends and your families, you get 100 coins for every single person you refer using your link. To start referring, just tap on copy and share, and it's going to copy your referral link, then share it to Facebook, share it to WhatsApp, share it to anyone you want to refer. So for every single person who registers, you're going to get 100 coins credited to your wallet. So now if you tap on agents commission, for every single person you refer, aside getting 100 coins, you are getting 0.6% from their bet commission and recharge commission as well. To withdraw, all you simply have to do is to head over to your account and tap on withdraw right here. So now once you tap on withdraw, it's going to open the withdrawal page where you'll be able to put in your account details. So now as you can see, I've already put in my account details before. So now for you are going to put it in, and the amount you have here is what you can actually withdraw. So now you're going to put in the amount. Let me show you my withdrawal record to see how much I've earned. So as you can see, this is paying. You can earn unlimited money for yourself every single day if you do not joke with this. And with the new feature, you can even earn more. So let me go down to the second page. Let me go to the third page. So I hope this explains everything you need to know. If you do not know about this app before, I suggest you watch the first and the second video to understand how everything works. I want to say a big thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.